In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide dates on Google Photos. Before we begin, it's important to understand one key limitation. Google Photos does not currently offer a setting that completely removes date labels from your main photo library view. Those date headers are built into the way Google Photos organizes and displays your pictures. So if your goal is to hide every visible date while browsing your library, that isn't possible right now. However, there are still a couple of useful ways to control how dates appear in certain situations, and that's what I'll walk you through here. First, let's look at how to hide dates in memories. This is helpful if you don't want Google Photos bringing up reminders from certain days or periods of time. Start by opening the Google Photos app. Once you're in, tap your profile picture in the top corner. From there, go into Photo Settings, then open Preferences, and then select Memories. Inside the Memories settings, choose the option called Hide Dates. You can then add the specific dates or date ranges you want Google Photos to exclude from memories. After you save those choices, Google Photos will stop showing those dates in memory highlights. This can be especially useful if there are personal events or time periods you simply don't want resurfacing automatically. Next, let's cover how to change a photo's date if the date is incorrect. This won't hide the date entirely, but it can help fix photos that are showing up in the wrong place in your timeline. To do this, open Google Photos on the web rather than in the mobile app. Select the photo you want to update, then click the Info button, which looks like a lowercase I. In the Photo Details panel, click on the date and time. You'll then be able to edit the date. Once you've made the correction, save your changes. This is useful for scanned photos, older images, or files that may have been uploaded with the wrong metadata. Just keep in mind that changing a photo's date affects how Google Photos organizes that image, so it may move to a different place in your library timeline after the update. To wrap up, while you cannot remove the date headers from the main Google Photos browsing view, you can hide specific dates from appearing in memories, and you can edit incorrect dates on individual photos. If your goal is more control over how dates influence what you see, these are the main tools currently available in Google Photos.